Long Island Residential Cleaning Services. Concrete and driveway cleaning. Imagine all of the concrete surfaces around your home's exterior. Now, imagine how amazing they'll look after a visit from the pressure washing experts at Pressure Wash Long Island. Bright, clean, and sparkling. Pressure Wash Long Island's driveway cleaning removes road debris, automotive fluids, and other pollutants that accumulate on your driveway surface, giving your driveway an inviting radiance for your roadster to roost. Roof cleaning. Roof washing is risky if you are planning to do it yourself. It's difficult to reach, can be dangerous due to its structure, and is nearly impossible to clean without specialist tools. Let Pressure Wash Long Island take the strain and enjoy clean, safe roofs. If you are looking for the best, contact Pressure Wash Long Island today. Call us or visit our website.